I was sent a pack of 2 of these trimmer blades and asked to give my opinion on it, make this short video. So here it goes. They're going to come shipped wrapped up in this plastic here with some tape all around it. So that way that these sharp edges here don't puncture the box that they may come in. So you're going to get that wrapped up real tight. These are 7.5 inches long. Let's see that here. And then that hole in the center has an inside diameter there of 1/2 inch. So you're going to want to check that against your trimmer type to see if these will work for yours. They are really well made. They're powder coated steel, very heavy, got a lot of density to them. And your attaching point here, all the holes are cut very precisely. There's no bulging or anything here. So however they've cut that, they've got some pretty good equipment. Very thick. It's going to last you quite some time. It's got this interesting serrated cutting edge here and here as well. So as this is spinning, you'll note on here it says this side out. And that says that because it's going to know the direction of your trimmer, because typically the trimmers are going to go in this direction here. If this side is out, it's going to go the right way. You do it the wrong way and you're going to get nothing but a dull edge here. So these are really cool blades. It's a nice new touch here to see how well they'll grab and cut on first try as far as these trimmers go. And you got 2 of them, so it's going to last you many, many summers of trimming and cutting. Hey, I hope this video was helpful and I hope this information was useful to you. And as always, I hope you have a great day.